How people actually become fluent. If you want to learn English, if you are learning English, if you want to improve your English communication skills, and if you are learning communication skills, then this video is going to be beneficial for you. How people actually become fluent. If you see someone else speaking English in fluent way, then you also want to speak like him, right? So fluency attracts everyone. My dear friends, today I'm going to telling you that how people actually become fluent. While communicating in English language, fluency matters a lot these days because this is the AI era and there is a cutthroat competition. If you are facing any interview, if you are studying in a reputed institute, even then you need to speak or communicate in English language efficiently. So fluency plays an important role in boosting your personality. Many people think fluency comes from memorizing grammar rules or learning thousands of vocabulary words, but real fluency develops in a different way. People become fluent when they consistently use English language in their real life. Fluency is not the ability to speak without mistakes, it is the ability to communicate uh, thoughts with the confidence and clarity. If you are able to communicate your thoughts, your ideas with others, then you will be able to communicate with them in a fluent way, right? Successful learner build a habit such as listening to English regularly, speaking even when they feel imperfect. Whenever they feel imperfect, they don't leave to speak in English language. Instead of that, they opt to speak in English language so that they can practice more and more, and by practicing they can develop their fluency. And moreover, learning useful phrases instead of isolated words. If you are speaking by using isolated words, but if you are using phrases while speaking, it will make you more confident, more fluent, and your speaking in English language will be more attractive for the others. Reading simple content, consistency, and practice without fear of errors. Consistency is very much important. If you are consistent in practice of speaking English, then it will boost your communication skills in English language and you will be able to express your views and ideas more effectively before others, and others will keen to learn you. They will show the interest in listening to you and they will get the information you are willing to deliver them, right? And the people who are more confident and fluent in speaking English language, they focus on the progress rather than perfection. Over a time, repeated exposure and regular communication train the mind to think faster and respond naturally. Fluency is not achieved overnight, it is built through daily practice, daily practice with patience and continuous improvement. Fluency is not a talent, it is the result of consistent practice. So don't bother if you are not fluent in English language, just try to communicate. And if you are able to communicate, then communicate in English language. It will hone your English communication skills and you will be able to communicate in English language perfectly and clearly. It will give you a boost in your career